What's up, y'all? Kentucky Dipper Dude here with my first video on this channel. Some of y'all may recognize me from the channel baccer 27. I make dip videos on that channel too with my friend, and this channel is just me making dip videos. So there's a difference. Today I ain't gonna be dipping, I'm gonna be chewing trophy. Now this is chew. It don't go in your damn gums. It goes in your cheek. A lot of people want to put it in their cheek. Their gums. I don't know why they want to. You can tell this is very different from dip. I've been chewing longer than I have dipping, so I know a thing or two about it. So I'm done. So anyways, I live back out here in eastern Kentucky, back in these hills, and well, first of all, there's poor people down here, and right now I can't afford a mud jug, so I'm spitting in a bottle. I'm doing some work for a man up in Louisville, Kentucky. Supposed to be help him building a house, so I can get me some money, and by February I'll have me a mud jug. So there you have it. This is actually kind of dry. Normally when you put chew in, it's just juicing up like crazy, and it ain't working for me right now. It's kind of dry. I suggest if you chew, you go out and you try get you some trophy. It's good stuff. I rate it a 10 out of 10. No doubt in my mind. Some of the best chew I've ever had. It's got more of a natural flavor to it. It's not really that sweet, in my opinion. Yeah, I thought I'd make me a quick review on some trophy. So I ought to go get you some. See what you think about it. Just got home. I live in a trailer park, in case you can't see. Actually, my parents live in a trailer park. It's raining out. I just got home from the store. See, I moved out about a month ago. I got me an apartment. I got kicked out, and so I'm going to have to stay with my parents for a little bit. I had to get me a new apartment. I'm actually driving my dad's van because my truck is getting fixed right now by my cousins. The brakes went bad on the truck. I have to get it fixed. So the truck could go mud in and stuff, son. Can't be killing myself when I'm trying to go mud and ain't got no dang brakes. But I guess I'll let y'all go. Till next time, I forgot what I was gonna say. Anyways, like, subscribe, leave me comments below what you want me to try. Either it's dip or chew. I'll try my best to try it. I got another channel, baccer 27, like I said earlier in the video. Go check that one out. Subscribe to that one and like them. So, bye-bye.